And that's why birds do it, bees do it, even educated fleas do it. Let's do it, let's fall in love. In Spain the best upper sets do it, Lithuania and let's do it, let's do it, let's fall in love. A Dutch in old Amsterdam do it, not to mention the Finns, folks in Siam do it. Think of Siamese twins, some Argentines without means do it. People say in Boston even beans do it. Let's do it, let's fall in love. Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Fingers again with you with part 2 of my lesson on the classic song from Cole Porter called Let's Do It, Let's Fall in Love. Carrying on from the first part I did a few days ago, which I did the intro on. This is the verse and the chorus section. Everything I've just played basically is played twice. So I just played one time through, okay. For the whole song you need to play the whole thing again with different words, okay. So everything you need though is in there, okay. So let's get to it. It just repeats everything again basically with different words. So coming out of the intro section, this is in the same key as the intro section. Obviously it's in the key of A. If you want, I will remind you, if you want to play along with Cole Porter's recorded versions, he played it in B flat. Okay, so you would need to put a capo on the first fret and play everything I'm about to show you, and then you'll be in the same key as Cole Porter's recorded versions. Okay, but for simplicity I've done it in the key of A. Okay, so no capos. Okay, so we're starting off with a lot of the chords you will have learnt in the intro section are also in this section. Okay, so there's not too many different chords in this section that you won't have seen already. Okay, so we're starting off with an E augmented. That's that bar on the 3rd and 2nd strings, 1st fret, 1st finger. 2nd fret on the 4th string, 2nd finger, and 3rd finger's playing the 3rd fret of the 5th. And you sort of strum from 5 down to 2, okay? Don't hit the 6th string, don't hit the top of these strings. Just that, okay? Now this song's quite easy from the strumming point of view because it's mainly just downstrokes, like that sort of thing, okay? As you'll see, okay? So with just a single strum on that, it comes in with the classic, and that's why, and then we're into the song, birds do it, bees do it, okay? So on the first bit is F sharp minor, which we've already covered in the first section, F sharp minor to A, or a normal A, or I'm playing a lazy A, which I showed you in the first half, and also a standard A if you want to play a standard A, to an E7, which is also played in the first intro part. Okay, so F sharp minor 2 beats, and then to the A 2 beats, and then to an E7 4 beats. Okay, so after the E augmented, and that's why birds do it, bees do it, to an A chord or a lazy A, whichever you want to play. Even educated, B minor 7th. Again, we played this in the first half of the song. That's that B minor with bar chord without pinky. Okay, and then to that B minor 7th flat 5 that I showed you, also in the first intro section. So I'm playing the, it's like a diminished shape but on the inside strings. 2nd fret of the 5th string with the 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 3rd string with the 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the 4th string with the 3rd finger, and the 3rd fret of the 2nd string with my pinky. And it's just 5 down to 2. I'm not playing the bottom E, I'm not playing the top E, okay? Just that sort of thing, okay? So from the beginning, and that's why birds do it, bees do it, even da 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 da. It's 2 beats each on that B minor 7th, and then that B minor 7th flat 5. Back to F sharp minor. Let A do it. E 7th. Let's fall in A low. D minor, right? Back to A, just a single A, and then straight into that E augmented again. Okay, so very slowly from the beginning. And that's why birds do it, bees do it, even educated bees do it. Let's do it, let's fall in love. And then basically we'll repeat the whole thing for another verse, okay? So it comes out, in Spain the best upper sets to it. Right, well, that's right, yeah. Lithuanians, let's do it. Let's do it, let's fall in love. Right, so basically the same chords for the second verse. And it changes right on that last one where it comes out, let's fall in love. Instead of going to the D minor like we did the first time round, we go to B minor 7th and back to A. So it comes, let's fall in love. The Dutch, and then we start for the what I call the sort of, you could call it the chorus version or the bridge section, call it what you want, okay? The Dutch in Old Amsterdam bit, okay? So let's just go through the whole thing up to that point, okay? So the first 2 verses, okay, very slowly. And that's why birds do it, bees do it, even educated bees do it. Let's do it, let's fall in love. In Spain the best upper sets do it. Lithuania, let's do it. Let's do it, let's fall. A to B minor 7, back to A. The Dutch in, right? This and it goes into the bridge section or the chorus section, however you wish to call it. So it goes back to A to B minor 7 to the A, the Dutch in F sharp minor, Old Amsterdam B minor 7th again, then do it. Now this is a little bit more strummy up and downers, but you can just keep going with the downstrokes, but this is a little bit more strummy if you want, okay? So the Dutch in Old Amsterdam do it. Back to the A, not to mention the A7. That's the A, simple A chord with the open 3rd. 2nd on the 4th, 2nd on the 2nd, open 3rd string. 5 down to 1. Now there's a little rundown. Okay, so it goes from this beginning where it comes out of the second verse. Let's fall in love. B minor 7, A. The Dutch, F sharp minor, B minor 7, but A, da 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 da, A7, and then we do this little run. Very simple. 2nd on the 4th, open 4th, 4th fret of the 5th string. Okay, and then we're into a D chord. Folks inside. Now it's so far again, so coming out of the second verse, A, F sharp minor, B minor 7, A, A7, run down, D, folks inside, right, as far as we got. Then it's a G7. You can either play a simple G7, like that, or you can play a bar chord G7, which is a bar chord G major chord, 3rd fret with pinky off, okay, whichever you want, that one or that one, whichever's up to whichever you like, that or is easier for you, okay. So it goes not to mention a thing, bum bum, D, folks, G7th now, stop on a C, quick stab on a C chord, just a straightforward C is fine. think of Siamese, and then you have a quick A minor seventh. So from the C, just take that third finger off, you've got an A minor seventh, and it's a quick stab to E7. So and then just moving those fingers up from an A minor seventh to an E7. So it goes bum bum bum, folks inside and do it. Think of Siamese twins. That's what Me's twins is, A minor seventh to E7. Me's twins. Then that E diminished. E augmented again. Starting chord. Okay. Some then we're back into another verse again. F sharp minor to A to E7. Some Argentines, A to that E7, back to F sharp minor. People say in Boston even. Right, now it goes to a D7th. Let's do it. Okay, so coming out of that, think of Siamese twins, some Argentines without means doing. People say in Boston even. D7, please do it. A, there's F sharp minor, do it. B minor 7th flat 5, that one again, like a diminished shape on the inside. That's E7, A, D minor, A, and at that point you would normally, if you want to do the whole song, you would then play that E augmented again and start the whole thing over again on the second, on the third and fourth verses or whatever. Okay, but if you want to finish the song, when you come out of that, let's do it, let's fall in, A, D minor, A, and then an A6. So all you do is you play a lazy A and you bar all the 4 strings, bottom 4 strings, 4th string down to the 1st string, 2nd fret bar, and you play from 5 down to 1. Typical ending chord, like Beatles used to use that a lot, sort of thing. Okay, so you have it. So there you have it. You've got all the parts now. So then, I say to do the whole song, you come out of that let's do it. Let's do it. Let's fall in love. A to D minor to A, and then the E augmented again, and then you go back into the romantic sponges. They all say do it, whatever the words are. You do the whole thing again. Okay, but then you end up at the end of the song. You end up on that F. A6 after the D minor, back to A, and then A6. So let's do the whole thing. Go through it very slowly, slower than usual. Okay. I mean, this is one of the things you can do this song as fast or as slow as you like. Okay. But I'll try and slow it I'll try and slow it down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. From the beginning. And that's why birds do it. Please do it. Even educated, please do it. Let's do it. Let's fall in love. In Spain, the best upper sex. Do it. Lithuania, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's fall in love. The Dutch in old Amsterdam, do it. Not to mention the field folks inside, do it. Think of Siamese twins, some Argentines without means, do it. People say in Boston, even bees, do it. Let's do it. Let's fall in love. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Enjoy. Hopefully you'll get a laugh out of doing that. And everybody will join in. even though they don't like the song. So I'll see you in the next lesson for something hopefully completely different again. So bye for now.